How to play Spotify while playing Roblox. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to play Spotify in the background while playing Roblox. So let's get started. First, open Spotify on your PC or mobile device and select the playlist or song you want to listen to. Hit play and make sure your volume is set to a comfortable level for background listening. Now, head to your system audio settings. On PC, click on the speaker icon in your taskbar and adjust the Spotify volume separately if needed. You can also use Spotify's in-app volume controls on mobile, just adjust your media volume. With Spotify playing in the background, launch Roblox and this game will open in full screen, but don't worry, your music will continue to play. So if the music is too loud or too soft, you can adjust the volume in the game settings or use the audio controls on your device. Now, just hop into your favorite Roblox game and enjoy both the game and your tunes at the same time. And that's how you can play Spotify while enjoying Roblox. If this was helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.